Okay, never mind. I'll go through with you today. Video lesson is 45, and we are going to learn about rate. Now, rate measure how fast something happen or work is done. All right, we will do problem sum involving rates also. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 1. Now, Andy can paint a house in 2 days, right? So 2 days, yeah, to paint one house. So good. Then how many houses can he paint if he have 52 days? Of course, this will increase right now. So you'll be 26 houses. How you get 26 houses? 52 divided by 2, you get 26. Okay, for those who have done Minyat, how you get 104? You write as 104, which is not correct. It's 26. Okay. Jerry took 6 hours to paint the 4/5 of a house. How long would he take to paint 1/5 of the house? Okay, so that means in 6 hours, he painted 4 units of the house. All right, correct. So how to find for 1 unit of the house? You need to use your 6 hours to divide by 4, right? Okay. This one, yeah, I don't understand. The whole class did very badly for this worksheet. Okay. All right. So this one will be 6 divided by 4, which is 3/2, which is 1.5 hours, or 1.5. Both are acceptable. Okay. Next question. How many more pages can you print, or how many more pages can the faster printer print in terms of 1 minute? So to find 1 minute, you divide this by 6, right? And to find 1 minute, you divide this by 11. So 162 divided by 6, you should get 27 pieces. 275 divided by 11, you get 25 pieces. So which one is more? Here, right? 27 minus 25, you get 2. Okay. Next question. A printer can print 200 pages in 30 seconds. And how long does it take to print 18,000? So if you want to do this to compare how many times is that, also doable. Okay, this is another method. 18,000 divided by 200. Okay, then you will get 90. All right, so from there you will get to which one? 90 for fresh. Then that one is 90 times. You got to times 2,090 every 30, 2007. Okay. So 30 times 90, but that one is in second. Okay. Change it to minute. You divide by 60. 145. Okay. All these are easy ones. Question 5. Betty takes 3 hours, okay, to travel city A to B, and Tina take 5 hours from city B to A. How long will they take along the way? And express your answer in hours. Okay, now this one is done in this manner. The distance traveled apart is the same. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, then for this, probably I draw another line. Same distance. The thing is that Betty is traveling along the same road. It took 3 hours. Okay, going to this direction. However, Tina will take a longer time from here to here, 5 hours. Okay, so along the way, they will somehow meet right now. So in 1 hour, can I say that they travel for Betty in 1 hour? can I say this is 1/3 journey? Right? If this is 1/3 journey, okay, this is Betty, 1/3 journey. I write journey lah. In 1 hour, this is 1/3 journey, this is 1/3 journey. Okay, so here you cut it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be 1/5 journey. J stands for journey. I write it in short. Journey. Okay, 1/5 journey. Right in J. So this is 1/5 journey. 1/5 journey lah. I better write in big J like. That looks very awkward, huh? J, 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 J. So in every 1 hour, you can see I'm going to use highlighter to do this. I'm going to do 1 hour, he will come here and wait. Wait, okay? So Tina will come here and wait. Do you realize that they are nearer apart? Right, nearer, they are approaching towards each other here. Okay, so let's take a look here. This is Tina. So in 1 hour, how much of the journey has been covered lah? That's what I want to find. So 1/3 journey, you have 1/5 journey. So they are actually coming towards each other here. Okay, so it's 8 out of 15 J. And this is only for 1 hour, correct or not? So that means if I want to do it in a very appropriate manner, like a long-winded way, then I can do this. I change all to 15 units. Can be done so. Take a look. I'm going to do it in red. So I make it into 15 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that can I say that he covered 3 units and he covered 5 units. So in 1 hour, they cover 5 units, 8 units, sorry. Correct not? So that's where he get the 8 ma. So now I'm going to put it into a statement here like that. Look, I'm going to do this. So in 1 hour, they will cover 8 units of the journey. Okay? So then he wants to cover the 15. How long will it take to cover here? So I will be 1 overhead bridge will be 1 over 8 times 15. Oh, so this is 1 whole 7/8 hour. But he want decimal. So 1.7 out of 8 is equals to 875. Okay? So 1.875. Is it difficult? Yes, it is a little bit challenging. Okay? All right. Is everyone with me? Yes. But can you understand after I explain? Okay, I want to ask a question. Are you able to catch up with this? Leave the meeting. If you happen to be kicked out of the meeting, please come back again. Okay, don't just leave the meeting. So scary. Okay, I better go and check who is here already. Give it about a minute. Okay, Alvin is here. Emmanuel is here. Irene, yes. Corinne is also here. Limit, Jaden and Remus. Okay. The rest not here yet. Oh, try to be as punctual as possible, but otherwise you could have missed out. Okay, now my question, after explain my question to you, do you understand? That is very important. I want your response, quick. Mm, mm. It looks better, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Present. Kind of lah, huh? Okay, good. All right, then I continue from here. Question number 6. Vicky can paint the flat in 8 days. All right. Benny can paint the same flat in 5 days. How many days would they have to take to paint the flat together? Okay, this one you can be done in the same way. Okay, or last week we put it into like which fractional. I'm not too sure whether which one you like. So I'll do a different way for this one. Okay, you all try see if you can understand. Now, last week we say we convert them. So now we can also do the same, right? 8 days. So yeah. Okay, imagine this is the flat. Then 8 days are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayo. Okay. 8 days up. Okay lah, okay lah. This is 2, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. So in 8 days. So this is what Vicky can do. Then for the same flat, he's going to paint it in 5 days. Okay, lor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is done by Benny. Right? Different mah. This one is in 8 days. This one is in 5 days. Okay. So what is the fractional that is here? For example, yeah, I'm going to do highlight for this. Okay. If this is 1 day, and this is another person, another 1 day. Correct? So what is the fractional that you are going to add them up if they combine their effort? Remember, we say combine effort. So what will be the fraction here? It will be 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 1 fifth, 2 fifth, 3 fifth, 4 fifth, 5 fifth, like that. Okay? So then the thing is 1, 8, 1 fifth. 1 over 8 and 1 over 5. I should get 13 out of 40. So that means to say in 1 day, they are going to paint 13 units. Okay, 1 day, 13 units. Okay, so there are how many in total? 40 units, right now. How I know 40? There, 40 units. How can you say don't know? Okay, so what? 40 over 13. You get 3 days and 1 over 13, if I'm, should be like that now. Okay, where is it? 3, 1 over 13 days. Okay, some people like this lah. If you like this, you just change all into common unit only, that's all. Or better still, if you think you want to do this, I'm going to do this. Then I say this is 5U, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay? 5U, this is called U. Then here will be 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Is this method easier? Later after that, I teach you something that is like, you will say, oh, so lame. Okay? You all want to know lah? Okay, I teach you something, show lah, not teach. This one is not the best way to remember, but it is a trick here. I want you to look at something in red here. You see, what is here? I do this here. My answer 8 over 15, right, is for that 1 hour. And then I inverse it. It become the answer here. There, look here. It's the opposite. Numerator become denominator. Denominator become numerator. So now, is it very amazing? But actually it works lah. Okay. Can I check with all of you? Do you see the trick or not?